Hi all, so in this video we're going to talk about the domain and the range of this function, which is mod of x minus 4 divided by x minus 4, and it is a real to real function. So let me talk about the domain first. The domain is set of all the valid values of x that the function can accept as an input. So here I can plug in any value of x except 4. 4 is problematic because when I try to plug in 4, I get f of 4 as modulus 4 minus 4 over 4 minus 4, which is modulus 0 over 0, which is 0 over 0, which is a mathematically indeterminate form. So I cannot have that. So 4 is not a good value as an input. All the other values are fine. So the domain of this function is all the real values except 4. So this is how you write it. All the real values with a subtraction sign, and then you put 4 in a set. So the domain is pretty easy. So let me write it down here. So the domain is all the real values except 4. Now what about the range? The range is all the possible outputs. You put them in a set that the function produces. So in this function you cannot plug in 4, right? What if you plug in an input greater than 4? Say 5 or 6 or 7. Let's go with 5. So modulus of 1 over 1, this is 1 over 1, which is 1. So any value, any input greater than 4 will always produce the output 1. It could be 5, 6, 6.1, 4.2, 4.3, any irrational or rational number greater than 4 as an input will always produce the output 1. So that is one thing. What if I input a number less than 4? 4 is not valid, it is not in my domain. But I can plug in a number less than 4. So let me try 3. Yeah. So 3, 3, 3. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. So when I try 3 as an input, I get a modulus of a -1 here and a -1 here. The modulus will remove the negative sign from -1 in the numerator, but the negative sign will remain in the denominator. So I'll get a -1. So for any input values less than 4, -1 is the output of the function. So this function can produce only two outputs, 1 and -1. For all the values, input values greater than 4, the output is 1. And for all the input values less than 4, the output is -1. So the range of the function is simply a set that contain the value -1 and 1. And I think this is about it for this one. Thank you.